Can a single piece of equipment truly transform your sim racing experience from casual fun to professional immersion? This Anman F1 Racing Simulator Cockpit stand claims to do just that, and honestly, it's a bold statement. But after spending some time with it, I can see why they're so confident. Right out of the box, the build quality is immediately apparent. We're talking about a solid aluminum profile construction, specifically 40x80, which feels incredibly robust. They've even added a support bar to the joystick position, which might sound like a small detail, but it makes the entire structure feel rock solid. This is crucial because it means this cockpit can handle serious force feedback without any flex or wobble, translating directly into a much more immersive and realistic driving sensation. What really sets this cockpit apart is its versatility. It's not just a static stand, it's designed to adapt to your preferred driving style. The Anman F1 can actually simulate 3 distinct driving modes: F1 racing, truck driving, and off-road. This means you can switch between a low-slung, aggressive F1 posture, a more upright truck position, or even an off-road setup, all within the same cockpit. That's a huge win for anyone who enjoys a variety of racing genres. And when they say infinite adjustability, they aren't exaggerating. Almost everything on this cockpit can be tweaked. The stand itself offers a wide range of adjustments, and crucially, the mounting points for your steering wheel, pedals, and even the seat are all highly customizable. This ensures that whether you're tall, short, or somewhere in between, you can find that perfect, ergonomic driving position. It really caters to the demands of serious sim racers who need that precise setup. The included ergonomic seat is another highlight. It's a breathable black seat that feels supportive even during long gaming sessions, so no more collapsing cushions or discomfort. The adjustable backrest and the double-track design for the seat rails make it incredibly easy to slide and recline, finding that sweet spot for comfort and control. It genuinely adds to the overall feeling of being in a real race car. Compatibility is also a strong suit here. The Anman F1 is designed to work with a vast array of popular sim racing peripherals. It lists support for Logitech G29, G920, G923, Thrustmaster T500, T818, T80, T128, T300, and Fanatec CSLDD GTDD Pro, as well as Moza R5, R9, R12, R16, and even PXN V9. This wide compatibility means most sim racers won't have to worry about whether their existing gear will fit. So, is the Anman F1 Racing Simulator Cockpit stand worth it? If you're looking to elevate your sim racing from a basic setup to something truly immersive and adaptable, this cockpit is a seriously compelling option. It offers exceptional stability, incredible adjustability, and a genuinely comfortable and versatile driving experience. It's a significant upgrade that brings you closer to the real thing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.